Hello everybody, this is Tyler
and Chris.
We're just out and about, and we're here at Busch, Williamsburg for Howl O Scream. My mom, she already came earlier in the year, but we finally was able to make it up here, and we've come to check out Howl O Scream for the first time of the year. We have actually done Watch Monster Stomp.
Very good this year.
Oh yeah, I don't know if it's where it's been gone for 2 years, but it was killer this year. It was really good. But while we walk around and video stuff and take y'all along with us, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on YouTube and
Facebook and Twitter
and Instagram. And we're gonna walk around.
All right.
We're waiting in line for the opening of Nevermore in the haunted house. It starts at 6 o'clock. So we are in line for Nevermore. We'll let you know how it is when we get out. We'll also, I should add, we'll be doing a rating scale, like 1 to 5 pumpkins. Since we'll throw it back since Howl O Scream used to rate in pumpkins. So we'll rate in pumpkins.
Let you know.
So we just got out of Nevermore. What do you think, Chris?
It was awesome.
That was probably the best new Howl O Scream house that they've had in a year. Like new wise, that's probably one of the best ones they've done in years.
Plenty of scare actors.
Scare actors all over the place.
Yeah.
Like, on a scale of 5 pumpkins, what do you give it?
We'll say 4 right now.
I'll give it a solid 4.5. It was. The people behind us got more scared than we did, but I cannot complain because there was a ton of people in there.
I got quite a few scares myself.
Yeah, they did. We still got scared, but we had a group of girls behind us, so I think they was targeting them. But yeah, on to the next one. I think our next one is going to be another new one, which is Killarney Diner. So let's go and walk around. Going into the Hexed Hollow. We just walked through Hex Hollow, so it's been a while since they've had a good scare zone through Germany and Rheinfield. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. We gotta walk back through there at night because there was so many scare actors in there.
Yes.
There was a bunch of scare actors, which is good.
Probably a good 20, 25 people.
Oh yeah, there was a lot of people. So staffing wise this year is awesome. It's on point. So let's go to the next one. Okay, and here we go into the meat market. I love their back decorating on the bridge. It's awesome.
Never say never.
It's been a while since they've decorated on the bridge. I'm getting a late 2000s vibe from this year's Howl O Scream. A lot more decorations out than there have been in the past. I love it. Got some meat market premium quality. Uh-oh. They done, man. They've been on the ride. So meat market. Meat market was good too. A lot of scare actors in there. That's a new theme for this year in New France. I have no complaints. It was full of people. I also say that France this year is considered a party zone, so there's nothing like, there's no scare actors or nothing. There's just like a atmosphere coming through here and stuff like that. So yeah, France is a party zone this year with heads in the bush is over here. Okay, so pink heads in the bushes. Oh, we do have scare actors through here. Hello. Yeah, that's nice. Did you do it yourself? Yeah. How did you get them painted like that?
I just dip them in the paint.
Dip them in the paint.
Pull them out, stick them in the garden.
Stick them in the garden. You have a good night. Thank you.
The headless one will be out later.
Huh?
The headless one will be out later on.
All right, we'll be back by. Alright, we're going through the werewolves. I don't know, I'm not sure if there's any actual scare actors out through this path, but we have werewolves out. Look at them taking over the stagecoach. Look at that one creeping over there. Look at him. He's just lurking. This one, he's hanging on the wall for dear life. These werewolves right here have been around for a long time. A very long time. Alright, we're about to go into the Killarney Diner. So let's go. Alright, we're trying to escape Jack's show here for the music wise. Okay, so we just got out of Killarney Diner. What do you think?
That was very good. Very good.
Okay, so I've been coming for like over 15 years. I think that like scenic wise and house wise and scare wise, that's probably the best house I've ever been through here. Like, honestly, like, there's been some good houses, but that one was like solid all the way through. Wish it was just a little bit longer.
Yeah.
It was not, it was like, so far we've been through Nevermore and Killarney Diner, and Nevermore definitely longer, but This one right here was non-stop.
That's like universal theming in there.
Yeah, it was good. Like, it was awesome. So we're gonna go on to the next one. I think it will be Circus Sinistro, which is one that's returning and been here a while.
Here we go, Killarney. Repeat after me.
Alright guys, if you're not trying to watch the Jack and Bed show, please go to the left and all the way down.
The birds are back. Oh, I said Circus Road Sinistro is next.
Whatever.
Actually, Dystopia is next. I forgot about it. So, we just got out of Dystopia. It's kind of dark. Let me get over here and some light. In this little blue light over here. Maybe that's better, maybe that's not. Okay, so we're here. So we just got out of Dystopia. You said you didn't remember this from 2019.
Pretty good.
What'd you think?
Pretty good. Not the best. Probably the third best of the ones we've been in so far.
Yeah.
But I mean, it wasn't bad.
I forgot to I actually forgot to do our pumpkins from the Killarney. What was your pumpkin scale over there?
Oh, let's go 4.5.
I'm gonna go 5.
Huh?
I'm gonna go 5 on Killarney. And our pumpkins on here, I'm gonna go 3.
3. I agree with that.
3. Yeah. It's definitely improved quite a bit since the first years that they've had it. So we're gonna go to Circus Road Sinistro next. Okay, what do you think of Circus Road Sinistro this year?
I don't care how you say it. It wasn't not the best.
The cast was good as always, but I think it's
Time to go.
time for a reboot.
It was like the first house of the night that really didn't have a lot of scare actors in it either. It's just like they had just a couple people and just yeah.
I mean, the ones that was in there was really good. On to the next one, a new one, Witch of the Woods. Alright, I forgot our pumpkins again on Circus Road Sinistro. What do you rate it?
Be nice. I'll give it a 2. I mean, they tried.
I'll give it a 2.5. So on to the next one. We just got a Witch in the Woods. What did you think?
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Better towards the end.
Yeah, it started off a little weak, and the first quarter started off a little weak, and then the back quarter, like the back 3 quarters of it was pretty strong, and the back half was really really strong.
Yeah.
But I'll give it probably 3.5 pumpkins.
That sounds about right.
Yeah. But normally back there, in the past years when they've had like lumber hack back there, it takes them a year to build the setting up back there, because it is hard to scare back there because you see them coming. It's like it's out in the woods, so it's more open than being in a house. So we're actually going to go through Nevermore and Killarney again with our platinum membership fast passes that we've got in September. Okay, so we're going back through Hexed Hollow.
Well, you actually did the same. We were there with
That's a real working day. You're crazy! You're crazy! No, the witch has made you crazy! No! No, no!
dark.
Half the actors are out here. Is that what it was?
Yeah, yeah, it was definitely popping in the daylight.
Stood there and looked at him and said, "Hey, no, go get that girl right there."
That's awesome.
Oh, that's not her.
That was awesome. That girl was right up there.
Oh, oh, Gilly Busch.
That Busch has got to get me every time I come
Okay guys, so that about does it for tonight. We're sitting out here fixing to go across the bridge to go to the parking lot. We ended up going through Nevermore again and Killarney again. Awesome run-throughs on that still. It wasn't quite as full as the first run-throughs, but still really good. And so what was your favorite house? Killarney. Okay, so mine was Killarney too. I actually got a chance to kind of briefly talk to one of the stage directors that was standing outside of Killarney. She said that was actually her house that she put together. So I think her name was Emma. So great job, Emma. Keep it up. Yeah, so Killarney was great. Probably one of the best houses that I've seen here in a long time. I can say Howl O Scream's back. Over the past couple years, it's been kind of, I wouldn't say weak, but like not really as good
PG
as what it had been in the past years. But it come back this year. Like it hadn't been as good as in the past couple years, but it's come back this year, and it really knocked it out of the park. Like it felt like 2010's Howl O Scream and late 2000s Howl O Scream. Like it was, there was a lot of workers here, and they was coming at you.
Yeah. And
the houses was like really good put together. So I think we're gonna close out. Overall, I give it about a 4 out of 5 pumpkins for everything.
Yeah. The whole event.
Yeah, the whole event and the whole. So that's it. So bye guys.